Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn about producer. Producers write data to topic which are made of partition. We have seen that topic holds data, but to send data into the Kafka topic we need to write a Kafka producer. In block diagram we can see that we have partition 0, partition 1 and partition 2 for topic A. Producer are going to send data into your Kafka topic partition. Producer know to which partition to write to and which broker, Kafka broker has it. That means the producer know in advance in which partition the message is going to be written. The people think that the Kafka decide at the end that which partition data get written to, but this is wrong. The producer decide in advance which partitions to write. In case of Kafka broker failures, producers will automatically recover. In case of Kafka server that has a partition failure, the producer know how to automatically recover. So there is a lots of thing behind the scene that happens within Kafka. So we have load balancing in this case because your producer they are going to send data across all partition based on some mechanism, and this is why Kafka scales. It's because we have many partition within a topic, and each partition is going to receive messages from one or more producer. Next topic is producer's message key. Producer can choose to send a key with the message. The message itself contains data, but we can add a key and it's optional, and the key can be anything you want, could be a string, a number, a binary, etc. If key equal to null, data is sent round robin. If the key equal to null, then the data is going to be sent round robin. That means it's going to be sent to partition 0, then partition 1, then partition 2 and so on. And this is how we get load balancing. If key not equal to null, then all messages for that key will always go to the same partition. If the key has some value, it could be a string, a number, a binary, etc., whatever you want. And the Kafka producer have a very important property, that is all the messages that share the same key will always end up being written to the same partition by using hashing strategy, and this property is very important in Apache Kafka. A key are typically sent if you need message ordering for a specific field. So when we specify a key, this is when we need message ordering for a specific field. For example, suppose a goods delivery company have many trucks, and company wants each truck location at every 1 minute interval. So the trucks are sent their GPS location with truck ID, and here truck ID as a key and GPS location as a value. So in this block diagram also we can see producer sends truck ID to the partition. So for the particular truck ID, data will always send to the same partition, as here we can see. That's all for this lecture. I will see you in next lecture.